Here's why I love these Navaris analog alarm clocks. I actually originally purchased one of these, and then a few weeks later, I realized I actually wanted more around my house, so I purchased another two. Now, we've been using these clocks throughout the house for a variety of reasons, but probably my favorite reason is that it lights up. So you see this little light right here that goes on? Then in the middle of the night, if you're wondering what time it is, or you even just need a quick little light, this is such a perfect little thing to keep next to your bedstand. I also keep one on our fireplace mantle because it's just so cute. It's really easy to read from a far distance away, and I love the design with this beautiful wood coloring. And then on the back here, it takes a AA battery, and then it's also really easy to set the alarm and set the clock itself. So I highly recommend these Navaris analog alarm clocks because this is just such a fun addition to adding a clock around the house without spending a lot of money or having to have a large piece of clock around the house.